This is a short demonstration video of the Makita circular saw in action. It's a little add-on to the last video I did, which is more of a review of the Makita cordless circular saw. First thing I'm going to cut is 40mm worktop. I cut this a couple of times a day. This is just to show how easy it actually goes through the worktop. As you can see, there's a bit of a dim light on the job where I was working on today, and you can see the job light shining away, letting you see the light that you're following, the line that you're following rather. Now this saw looks like the metal version, but it's actually a wood version of that saw. It's smaller than the ones that you generally see, and it's not quite as popular, but it's an ideal size for what I do, fitting kitchens. This is 18mm conti board. Cut quite a lot of this during the day. Absolutely goes through like a hot knife through butter on this stuff. Not a problem whatsoever. The saw itself's got a brand new blade in it. The battery is not so new, but it's still, as you can see, doesn't struggle whatsoever. One battery will last me 2 days with this saw with a sharp blade. The blades don't last very long, I've got to admit. I think that's just what I'm cutting, conti board and veneers. Blunts the blades very quickly, but you do get an excellent cut. And there you have it. One sheet of conti board chopped to bits. Many more of them gets done every day. An excellent little saw.